Welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, aka the Libertarian Cryptologist, where we study and look for altcoins in the cryptoverse on leverage trading. We are on the Phemex exchange. We have been talking altcoins today, Altcoin Tuesday after FOMO Monday. Okay, and what's happening here in the market? Obviously, we're seeing some profit taking in a lot of altcoins that obviously participated yesterday in the mania. However, we are going to talk here Bitcoin Cash. The reason why we're going to talk Bitcoin Cash is a hard fork of Bitcoin. Hard forks tend to be highly correlated to the value or market price and behavior of Bitcoin. Simple as that, mates. It's one of the easiest methods. Correlated trading method. It's one of the easiest methods beginners can learn on how to leverage trade crypto. Follow the behavior of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is $67,000, $68,000, right? That's a lot of change, okay? But if you can get the same price action in an asset that's a little less than 700, like Bitcoin Cash at 695.41 right now, a little bit before 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can get the same market movement, 4%, 8%, 12%, it's up 13.49% in 24 hours. That's more than Bitcoin, mates. Bitcoin's only up like 2% today. 2.9, I think. I mean, yesterday it was up clearly a lot. Okay? So, see how that works? Why put your money in a leverage trade in Bitcoin if you can play the Bitcoin behavior in Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Gold? They get less and less expensive as you move your way down. Remember, it's a leverage trade. It's not about whether or not you think that hard fork is valid or long-term use case. It's not about that. It's about a short-term leverage trade, okay? And so you need to think about that. Now, many people, yours truly included, okay, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just a schmuck on YouTube, okay, like everybody else, all right? I like Bitcoin Cash's future, okay, relative to Bitcoin, personally. And so it's not bad to have a bag or a stack of it. If we take your leverage gains, buy it on spot, and keep it and hold it. Would have been a great trade for you in 2021. Okay, well, let's open it up. Take a look at where we're at. Again, right before 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here we go. 87, 88 RSI. What's that tell you, mates? That's a run up all the way from 39-ish, 36. Okay? So it's up 30, 40 basis points, 50 basis points, right? Like boom, boom, boom. And since the 6th of November. So 48 hours, right? Here's the run up you get. Well above the resistance level, well above its cloud level now. But look at that long wick. It got to 700, and then now it's back down to 685. Okay? And so that tells you there's not enough buyers at 700 right now. Why? The RS rising relative strength, okay? Again, this is where you make your decision, mates. This is where you make your crypto loot. I can't stress this enough. Don't try to time the market. Just play the signals. You're approaching 90 RSI. It will not stay at 90 for very long before this candle starts to collapse, okay? It needs to get back down to a more reasonable 60 RSI, 50, 60. Look at this range for Bitcoin Cash here, 45 to 55, almost right in the middle, okay? You're well above that now. So that tells you that it's overbought, okay? And so you need to use a stop loss or a sell down hedge right now in Bitcoin Cash, okay? And we're going to look at, you can see what's happening with Bitcoin today, which will be a good indication of what's going to happen now. Bitcoin starts to sell down and reverse a little bit from the FOMO. You're going to have the hard forks do the same. So you can use that behavior in Bitcoin, enter into sell downs, which are equivalent to shorts, okay? It's basically your bet, a leverage trade that asset is going to decrease in value. That's basically what you're saying. And depending on what leverage you use will determine that liquidation rate, okay, for your asset and for your trade, okay? But that's very, very simple. Trade that correlated behavior. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Cash A, B, C, if you can find exchanges that allow you to leverage trade those. All right, mates, that was just a quick update.